eliminate definition, eliminate in a sentence, eliminate pronunciation, eliminate meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of eliminate. 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 Eliminate as a verb means to completely remove something or to exclude from consideration. Common usages in academic writing: eliminate the error, eliminate any chance, eliminate the possibility of. Example sentences: eliminate, verb. The policy's intended plan was to eliminate inflation. Example sentence number 2, data from the year 1996 was eliminated due to the malfunctions in the seismology equipment. The common academic writing variation is elimination, noun. These results show that after 5 weeks of regular dosage, this treatment promotes the elimination of the target toxin. Please write a sentence using eliminate in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know eliminate's pronunciation, eliminate's meaning, and how to use eliminate in a sentence. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.